Welcome back to Sweden, Stockholm, and let's continue the beach adventures with Chris in Sweden. 3rd of May, and after 2 super hot days in Stockholm, with temperatures up to 23 degrees it was. I was not here, I was in Crete. Yesterday in Hania it was 13 degrees Celsius in the air with strong winds. Here now 8 degrees, it feels warmer than yesterday because there's no wind. And I had some errands at Sickla Shopkvarter to get an order, and I decided to go for a swim here at Sickla Beach because on a day like this it will be not so crowded compared to how it is on a sunny day. I guess it was super crowded here the previous 2 days. So yeah, Sunday, cloudy Sunday, and currently it is 1:40 p.m. I'm back from Crete, 7 days there, of which 5 were super sunny and 2 were cloudy and rainy. And it's time to continue the beach adventures with Chris from Sweden. I'm so happy. You see, my hair is now super blonde from the sun from Crete. And my lips are very dry because of the sun, obviously, and the traveling. I have arrived in Stockholm this morning at 4, and I was home at 6, and I managed to sleep 1 hour on the plane and then 4 hours at home. So I'm not the most positive today, but yeah. The thermometer is already in the water, and let's see if it is what I thought. It is 12 degrees Celsius. Yes, the water is getting warmer thanks to the sun that has been ongoing. And yeah, nice view here. We see over Hammarbybacken, which is one of the highest points in Stockholm. Yeah, Stockholm is pretty flat. It's also a skiing facility. But yeah, you go from up to down in like 5 seconds. And there is another beach on the other side and few more jetties here on Sickla Lake. Beach number 26. I was abroad a few weeks, so it could have been better. But let's then clear out the water as the lake is completely blank. And when it's blank, it tends to have some algae and lake material on top, so I used to do this. There is also a jumping platform in the lake, which seems to have been attacked by the geese. Canada geese are they called. And there is also sandy part of the beach, but the sand is not so fine, I must admit. Yes, hopefully the sun will reappear during the week, but I can't believe that it's only 8 days to Eurovision, or 7 now. So yeah, the rehearsals are in progress and I have so much work with the content for Eurovision, but I'm obviously continuing with the beach adventures because the 2 things I like the most: beach, Eurovision, and maybe travel, the 3rd one, because yeah, it's connected with the beach and partly Eurovision. So yeah, let's go in for a dip and see how long I can be in. Yeah, the water here is a lot colder than the Mediterranean Sea, where it was up to 20 degrees, and yeah, it feels much better to be swimming in the sea. But we have the sea also here in Stockholm as well. Okay, so let's then get going. Are we ready? Because I definitely am. Later I'm gonna meet one of my dearest friends from high school that's on visit here in Stockholm. So I'm really looking forward to warmed up my soul with one of my best friends in life, and it's gonna be amazing. Oh, okay, we are. It's chilly, I'm not gonna lie, it's chilly. But I love to see my hair blonde from the sun. Okay, nobody's here to hear my screams, but ready, set, and go! Oh my god, it's quite convenient for a short swim actually. It's not as cold as I thought that it would be. But yeah, Sickla Beach or Sickla Strandbad, around 7 kilometers from the center. Very good connections here, and yeah, now it's time for Chris to continue on with the day. Thank you so much for watching this episode from Sickla Strandbad, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!